Hi everybody, today we're going to be using an overflow can to find the volume of an irregularly shaped solid. In this case, we're going to be finding the volume of this rock. You're going to need a couple different things. First, your empty overflow can, your graduated cylinder, and a glass beaker. The first step would be to fill this up with water right at your tap, and then let it come down to level. And I'll show you how to do that in just 1 second. So I'm going to fill it with water. You're going to see that water will begin to come out of the spout. And I'm going to leave it right here on the side of the sink until the water stops coming out. This is going to take a little bit. You want to wait until the dripping stops, but keep it right on the edge of the sink so all the water goes right into the drain. So when the water is settled and the drips have stopped, you're going to very carefully turn it so that the spout is aimed towards an empty beaker. I'm going to take my rock and put it in the water really gently. I don't want to splash any water out of the overflow can. I want to make sure I catch everything that comes out into this glass beaker. We're going to wait for that to stop dripping as well, and then we're going to empty this water into our graduated cylinder and measure exactly what the volume of water is. This volume of water is equivalent to the volume that the rock occupies in this container right here in our overflow can. Remember, volume is a measure of the amount of space that something occupies. So all the water that's coming out is really being displaced or pushed up by the rock that I put in there. Once it stops dripping, and it's slowing down, we're almost there. Be patient. We're going to take our beaker and carefully pour into our graduated cylinder, and then read, of course, how many milliliters of liquid have been displaced by the rock, and that'll give you the volume of your rock. I'm going to pour it in here. And turn it towards myself, read it at eye level. And I see that there's 32 milliliters of liquid in our graduated cylinder.